Let me show you easily one of the best, extremely affordable IME earphones with also premium build quality and extremely nice sound as well. So if you want to see the spec, you can pause it here. Okay, so I have already used them for a few days, so just put everything back to show you. So you see inside the box, first we get our earphones here. Okay, and also 2 extra pairs of earbuds as well, or cable as well. And the cable quality also is extremely nice on these. And also inside the box we get our pin to adjust the frequencies. And yep, basically what's absolutely awesome about this IMEs is we can easily adjust the frequencies as well. And we have full metal build quality on these bad boys. Okay. And yeah, when it comes to build quality, for this price, I think these are absolutely insane. So you see just how insanely nice they look like. Also the tip quality also is very decent on these. And this is where you can adjust the frequencies here. And also we have actually fairly large drivers inside in these as well. By the way, if you are looking to get these, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get them for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid only like $4 with free shipping for these, which is absolutely insane. So again, if you also want to get them for a similar price, simply check out the special discount links I'll leave in the description. So for this price, really no other earphones in the market comes even close to these. And also we are getting also a really decent quality cable as well with them. So you might actually have seen this cable also on some other KZ earphones. So really, if you maybe already have some KZ earphones, then this is probably the same cable. And yeah, so I have actually used the same cable on other earphones for literally almost like 2 years now, and still it's actually working for me. So really build quality on the cable also at this price is totally unbeatable. So this over here is a microphone version as well. So yeah, you can also pay a bit more for these and also get them with a microphone as well. So maybe like extra 50 cents as well. So yeah, check out those links essentially. So if you want to connect them, so you see also they have very decent markings. So left and also right here. And also so on the, so you see on the tips also we have the markings here. Okay, so if you want to connect them, so this is the right one then. Okay, yep. So let's attach it. So it simply snaps together like this. And it's actually, yeah, obviously a very secure hold. So it takes some pressure to actually release it. And yeah, the tip quality, as you see, also is very decent on these. Let's connect also the other one. And they're obviously sitting on your ears like this. Yep. And so, yep, if you want to adjust basically the frequencies, it's actually, yeah, quite easy. So we would simply take our pin here. And then, as you see, you can simply take this tool here and simply engage or disengage these switches. So you see, for example, so I basically drop down that switch. So again, what do we have? The paper. So it's quite easy. So you see, you can adjust the low frequencies, mid frequencies, and also high. Yeah. So this is a page from KZ website where it basically explains what happens once you actually engage these switches. So it increases the bass, frequencies, and stuff like that. Also, if we check the frequency graph, so if we zoom in, it's also very decent. So you see also obviously it changes as you will change those switches here. When it comes to sound quality for this price, I think these are pretty much unbeatable. In fact, out of all KZ range earphones, I think these are probably the second most popular at the moment. So the most popular ones are the KZ ADX ones, simply because they're mega cheap, so they're even cheaper than these. But again, they have full plastic build quality, and again, they obviously do not sound very high-end. Just if you basically need a basic pair, they do the job. But yeah, if you basically can pay tiny bit more, you're also getting significantly better build quality on these. They feel much more premium, and also basically the sound, the clarity, bass, and basically the richness of the sound yeah, this is like very clear upgrade essentially. So again, the normal price on these was maybe like $12 or $13. So if you purchased maybe somewhere else on those ADX ones, maybe like $6 or $7 the normal price. So again, these are maybe like 2 times more expensive than the cheaper stuff essentially. And yeah, so if you're wondering if you should get these or maybe the other cheap ones, the ADX Pro or the regular, yeah, then definitely, yeah, basically there's no really question. Not only the build quality is better, but also, yeah, obviously, yeah, not only we can adjust the frequencies just as we want, but also, yeah, the richness of the sound, clarity, and how they actually feel. Yeah, it's totally next level, I would say. And again, no wonder why these are so incredibly popular. And next, let's test the microphone quality on these. So currently I'm speaking maybe like 15 centimeters away from the microphone, almost directly inside it, so you can hear for yourself what it sounds like. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. So yep, this is essentially what the microphone sounds like on the Castor earphones. Okay, I'm back to my normal microphone now, and as you hear, the microphone quality on these also is absolutely unbeatable for this price really. So usually if you pay this very little money for these earphones, essentially the microphone is pretty much unusable really. But as you heard, yeah, the microphone is absolutely ridiculously good on these as well for this price really. Again, no other earphones actually even come close to the microphone quality. So again, I have tested on this channel maybe in the past year like maybe at this point well over like 20 different IMEs, and at this price really, so even up to maybe like $40, I do not think you can actually get better microphone for this. So again, if you're wondering if you should get the regular version or with a microphone, really then simply pay those extra 50 cents and get with a microphone one. So yeah, and overall, are these actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, I can actually highly suggest these. So again, I purchased these myself, so no one has sent me these or anything like that. Basically some earphones on my channel I get sent, but again, so I simply purchased these myself. So I got on AliExpress again literally maybe, yeah, a bit over $4 with the microphone quality. So that is if you are new user. If you are existing, it will be a bit more, maybe like 8 or 9, something like that. But regular price is I think like $12 or $13 of these, maybe at some other place. Even for that money really, these are pretty much unbeatable. So again, very decent build quality, very decent sound as well, and also really probably the best microphone you can get actually on any earphones. Yeah, so overall, yeah, absolute bargain indeed. Good luck.